Okay.
Bro, went off again, dude.
Until 2 p.m. Impact. Flooding of rivers.
Another aerial flood warning.
Flood for all locations is imminent or occurring.
I'll turn this
Additional
on.
details at 10:47 a.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain.
Now, I'll turn
Flooding
this
is already occurring in the warned
again.
area.
Oh,
Between 1
turn
and 2
this
inches
on.
of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Morristown, East Hanover, Morris Plains, and Hanover Township. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Did KZZ
Most flood
31 get the
current
alert?
vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
KZZ 31 got the alert. KZZ 31 got the alert too.
www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drop information. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. At 10 a.m.
Oh, I did not get the alert.
Airport, fog.
I thought I got the alert, but it did not.
The Duke.
We were trying to wait.
Landing in the loss at the airport traffic. The lower section of Fort Union Road in West Haven becomes safe. 10:30 a.m. service was the flood warning is canceled.